The Lagos State Education Resource Center organized an extracurricular program tagged Recite, Act and Excel with a stage drama titled Nitori Owo. Students of Angus Memorial Senior High School thrilled their audience with the performance of the book written by foremost Nigerian writer Akinwumi Shola. The Recite, Act and Excel program is aimed at ensuring students learn while they are having fun and at the same time explore their creativity.
Recite, act and excel. So, excellence in their performance, in their results, especially in WAEC and NECO. You know, when the students are able to see the performance of whatever literature book that has been chosen by their skill, they will be able to retain in their memory what they have seen. And by the time the questions are being given to them, they'll be able to perform better. So it's just for them to enhance their learning.
For me, education is all it. Education is a platform for mobility. And we're just not only rewarding academic excellence, we're spotlighting talent in our public students. We need to educate, the younger ones, because there are a lot of distractions in the world now. And the reason why we're doing this is just to reward academic excellence, to tell these children that despite the distractions, we are here to support you.
We want to be able to tell them that they can learn while they are having their fun, while they are dancing, while they are singing, while they are acting drama, they can still learn. So bringing out all their texts and acting them, putting them into action. We also help to drive home the contents of their textbooks, which is part of the learning part. And those children also acting is the entertainment part of it. The
students share their experience while participating in the program.
I feel so happy and glad. And I want to tell other students coming up to put in all their best in whatever they are doing, because I see that this stands as a medium of excitement, and I feel so happy. I feel so happy while exhibiting.
I feel glad because it has been stressful since all these days, like 4 months ago. So I feel glad. I would say a very big thank you to the TGPS, Ministry of Education, and most especially our teachers, because they've been guiding us from 4 months ago now. So I say a very big thank you to them.
At first, I feel scared and excited at the same time. Normally, it's somehow stressful, but it was okay after all. I'm looking forward to other students to also try their best in performing. If you have if you want to perform, you should perform in good ways. You should learn and put your best through it.
I feel great and glad. I'm so happy that I can be the one of this cast, this actor that can play the role of Nitori Owo. So I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. The rehearsal was so stressful from day one. Like, on my mind was, I may know that we can't make this thing but I'm just so happy.
It was very, very stressful. It even entered our exam time that we had to two-time the both. Our exam time, we had to two-time the both the exam and the drama. So it was very stressful, but we give thanks to God. We finished it.
It was a very tedious, work by calling them together. Those that will represent the cast of that particular project, Nitori Owo. It was like a nightmare for us when we started, but to the glory of God, we were able to at least get to the root of the program.
The literature book Nitori Owo is one of the Yoruba language reading texts approved and recommended for students who are preparing for external examinations such as the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board examination.